So, good afternoon, everyone. Uh, my topic is Internet of Things in Media and Marketing. So, these are content of my slide. First one is introduction, then literature survey, then brief on system, then conclusion, and then references. So, introduction. First is what is meant by IoT. IoT stands for Internet of Things. IoT connects physical world to the internet. Billions of devices are connected to the internet. So IoT combines connectivity with sensors, devices and people, enabling a form of free-flowing conversation between man and machine, software and hardware. Much of the current development in IoT has focused on industrial opportunities. Hence, they are called as intelligent system of systems. So, how IoT works? First, the data injection. Data that needs to be sent to the cloud for analytics must be clear or collected. Then IoT devices or sensors collect that data and the they collect data. Then next they transmit the data, that is data transmission. So data from the devices, that is collect from data ingestion, they transmit from the devices using sensors. Then third one is data processing. Once the IoT platform receives the data, it begins processing. Means the process can range from single to complex. Then data visualization. The After the data is processed, the end user receives the data through interface. The user may receive notification from an application or email alerts. Then data analysis. Data collected over time is analyzed to provide useful insight that can be unfiltered and producing more accurate prediction. So IoT in media. The IoT enables the gathering of a mass of data that can be enable media companies to better understand user habit and respond to feedback in their real time. These help aggregation improve customer interaction, and they take care experiences to next level. So IoT application in media and marketing means the conventional sample-based content intake matrices is most effective to display who watches a program when and optimize it. Sensor fact accumulated through variable devices can also help content cloud companies and digital marketers define what number of human beings notice the identical advert on a couple of structure. So literature survey, we are only in the beginning stages of IoT because IoT is not at the time everywhere. So, according to the literature survey, 8.4 billion in 2017 is expected to reach 30 billion devices by 2020. As you shown in figure, at 2003, only 50 million devices are connected, and in 2010, only 12.5 billions are connected. But according to researchers, they said that at the time of 2020, 50 billion devices are connected to IoT. The next figure is showing that smart product sales by market in 2016. As in 2011, smart homes are invented slowly, but in 2016, smart homes are means smart home facility are covered by people most likely. Then a top-rated digital marketing technique in 2017. As you shown in figure, content marketing reached at 20.3%, and in social media marketing, 8.8% is reached at the time of 2017. Then brief on the system. Nowadays, as the media and entertainment content continue to increase rapidly, the number of internet connection is increasing at the same rate. So the Internet of Things enable marketers to create totally different experience in bridging the digital and physical world. So as an IoT in media and internet title, it includes everything about telecommunication like film, television, games, sport and competitors. So in recent development in the media and entertainment sector show that the spending of IoT on media and entertainment organization are increasing more than in other areas. Many media and entertainment companies will continue to benefit from the Internet of Things. So, predictive social media. As we know, we are on social media like Facebook, YouTube. So, IoT allows automated posts and share to be regularly generated by the devices. This will pave the way for new online communities to develop center around users of particular devices. According to predictive social media, like it will be easier for marketers also to predict the development of social communities and target their effort toward these communities. With IoT, marketers will be able to reach potential customers that may not have previously been available. So, conclusion is hence, today we learn what are the application of IoT in media and marketing. IoT has been gradually a sea of technology changes in our daily lives, and IoT in media and marketing is very important for nowadays because using of Internet of Things we can reach over the billions of countries, and it will helps to student. It will helps to people to work efficiently. So these are the references which I have searched, and thank you. Any question? So thank you.